Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today we will be learning about 5 interesting Costasiella facts. The Costasiella is a genus of sea slugs that belongs to the family of marine gastropod mollusks. They are known for their unique ability to steal the eggs of other animals, such as jellyfish and anemones, and then hatch them into clones of themselves. This process is also known as pre-hatching and has led to the nickname the immortal sea slug being given to the Costasiella. The genus consists of around 30 species found in the shallow coastal waters of the Pacific Ocean from Japan to Mexico, as well as in the Red Sea and the Mediterranean. One of the most notable species is Costasiella kuroshime, also known as the Spanish dancer. This species is particularly famous for its unusual mating behavior, which involves 2 slugs forming a heart shape when they embrace during the process. Before we begin with our video, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on any of our awesome videos. Click on the bell icon so you will be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. Let's get started. Number 5. Food. When it comes to food, these sea slugs have quite a preference. They only eat hydroids, which are small aquatic organisms that live in colonies connected to each other by a calcium carbonate skeleton. Interestingly, the Costasiella prefers a specific type of hygro, the same hygro that serves as their home. These hygro are called Gerion's hygro, or a plumularia cetacea. It's almost as if the Costasiella has a particular taste for their own housing colony. The slugs simply graze on the hydrozoans within the Gerion hydro, consuming them as food. However, the curious thing is that the Costasiellas don't eat the Gerion hydro itself. You would think that after building their cozy homes on these hydrozoan colonies, the slugs would want to demolish them as well. But surprisingly, they seem to have a sense of preservation, leaving the structure of their temporary homes intact. Instead, they focus solely on devouring the living creatures within, a truly bizarre eating habit for these unique sea slugs. Number 4. Age. How old can a Costasiella live? It's actually quite difficult to determine the exact lifespan of a Costasiella in the wild. There hasn't been much research done on them, and observing their life cycle in their natural habitat is quite challenging. However, we do know that their life cycle is relatively fast compared to other gastropods. According to laboratory observations, a Costasiella can go from hatching to adulthood in approximately 4 weeks. After reaching adulthood, they can continue to grow, and some individuals have even been observed stealing and hatching eggs up to 10 times per week. If we assume that they continue to reproduce at this rate, it's possible that a Costasiella could live for several years. Imagine the amount of eggs they would hatch and the potential number of clones they could create in just a year. With 10 successful reproductive events per week, a Costasiella could hatch around 300 eggs in a single week. That's an impressive breeding rate for these tiny sea slugs. Over the course of a year, one Costasiella could potentially hatch thousands upon thousands of eggs, creating numerous clones of itself in that time span. It's amazing to think about the reproductive capacity of these seemingly simple creatures. Number 3. Importance in the ecosystem. The Costasiella plays a significant role in its ecosystem as both a predator and a prey animal. They help control the populations of hydroids, which are their main source of food, preventing any single species of hydroid from dominating the habitat. By feeding on hydroids, the Costasiella ensures that there is a balance in the community of these organisms. On the other hand, the Costasiella itself serves as a vital food source for various fish and other marine animals. Its unique ability to steal and hatch eggs makes it an abundant and readily available food source, supporting the survival of numerous predators. Therefore, the Costasiella plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance and health of its ecosystem by keeping populations of its prey in check, while also providing sustenance for predators. This dual role highlights the significance of this unassuming sea slug in its environment. Number 2. IQ. The intelligence of the Costasiella is truly remarkable, displaying problem-solving abilities that challenge our perception of these creatures as simple organisms. In a study conducted by a group of researchers, the Costasiella was presented with a maze-like puzzle where food was placed at the end of the maze. The slugs were then released into the maze and their behavior was observed. What they discovered was astonishing. The Costasiella demonstrated an understanding of the task at hand, showing remarkable spatial awareness as they moved through the maze. Some slugs completed the maze successfully, demonstrating their ability to learn and adapt to new environments. Researchers believe that the Costasiella's high intelligence may be linked to its complex social interactions. Living in close proximity to one another, these slugs must be able to communicate and coordinate their movements with other members of their species. This level of social complexity could have driven the evolution of advanced cognitive abilities in the Costasiella. Their problem-solving skills are truly mind-boggling for creatures that are often overlooked and underestimated. The Costasiella may not be as intelligent as us humans, but they certainly deserve our respect and admiration for their remarkable cognitive abilities. Number 1. Mating. The mating habits of the Costasiella are truly fascinating and bizarre. Unlike most other animals, the Costasiella does not have a separate sex. Instead, they are anatomically male and female at the same time, possessing both male and female reproductive organs. This allows them to mate with any other member of their species, regardless of their own gender. During mating, the Costasiella secretes mucus that acts as a pheromone, attracting their potential partners. Once a suitable mate is found, the process begins. The Costasiella forms a heart shape with its body by embracing its partner. During this intimate moment, one Costasiella acts as the male, transferring sperm to the other partner, which takes on the role of the female. However, the roles can be reversed in subsequent mating events, so it's not uncommon for a Costasiella to switch between being a male and a female during different encounters. What makes the Costasiella's mating habits even more peculiar is that they can store sperm for extended periods. This means that a Costasiella can mate once and still produce offspring multiple times in the future without needing to find a new partner. This ability to store sperm allows for genetic diversity within their offspring, as a single individual can produce genetically distinct offspring from different mating events. It's truly amazing to think about the unique adaptations and behaviors that allow these creatures to thrive in their environment. Their ability to change sex and store sperm are just a few examples of the incredible things that the natural world has to offer. Thank you for watching our video on 5 interesting Costasiella facts. We hope you enjoyed learning about the bizarre and fascinating world of these unique sea slugs. Don't forget to leave a like and share with your friends if you liked what you saw. We would love to hear your thoughts and any other interesting facts you may know about the Costasiella. So please feel free to drop a comment below. And before you go, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our upcoming videos. We have plenty more interesting facts and amazing creatures to share with you. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.